Hello everybody, today we make chicken scarpariello. I put a little oil, okay, I want to make a nice color of my chicken. Over here we do sausage. I want to make a nice brown of the sausage too. Okay, look like it's okay. Already I got the rosemary, garlic, hot pepper, salt. Now this is what I do, I want to brown a little bit. Now I got to do the sausage. I got the sweet sausage, and I got the hot sausage. You punch the sausage like this. You know why you do this? Because the grease, it come out of the inside, and you make a lot of juice. Okay, now, when you turn, see, already change color. But this, you don't gotta cook it too much. Because this, after I gotta cut it, and you gotta cook it together with the chicken. Okay. Now we gotta cook on this other side to make a nice, beautiful color. Look at the color of the chicken, how beautiful it look like. And now after this done, I do the other 4 pieces I got over here, and I gotta do the same way. Okay, we gotta take the sausage out now, and now I want to start the cut the size I want. Now everybody can make a different size. This is what you like. This is a little big. And we make 4 pieces. And this sausage, it tastes really good. Okay, now we start on this other parts. And I was using the same grease, the oil for the sausage. Okay, it got a good taste. And we start with onion. Now I got the garlic over here. And we turn the garlic. I got 6 cherry pepper. This is really hot. At the same time, I got 2 sweet pepper. And we put everything together. All right, we saute this like this. Okay, you gotta cook a little bit. And this, after, you gotta go all together with the chicken, and you gotta go in the oven. Already I got the oven on 400 degrees, and the chicken already I cooked both sides, but you gotta cook like 35 to 40 minutes. Okay, now this, I want to put it back again over here. Like this. We put a little white wine. Like this I got it for everything. Now everything is done, and now everything you gotta go in the pots. This to my sausage. We got the pepper, everything, okay, gotta go over here. Oh, look how nice and beautiful. Okay, now we put the stuff, the pepper, all over the place. Because this you gotta make sure, all the chicken, you got all the taste, and the sausage, and the pepper, everything. Okay, now this you gotta go in the oven. It's nice hot. We close the oven. This is 400 degrees. You gotta cook for 40 minutes. Okay. Let's see my chicken, my beautiful chicken Scarpariello. And look how beautiful the Scarpariello. Now we put it right over here. I want to put 1 piece of sausage and 1 nice piece of chicken. Sauce on the top, little sauce on the top. A little wine. Oh, it tastes so good. Salute e cincin everybody, but you gotta make it. Let me know. Thank you very much. Salute e cincin.